The blue shirt guy doing a dance represents one of the most common aspects of meme culture. It's no secret that much of online discourse consists simply of people getting down and boogieing, with entire social media platforms like TikTok launching thanks to the success of its dances. The original movements come from dance teacher Ruslan Ayadev, as a clip of his class has managed to make its way into being reposted. He's totally aware of the memes too, and seems absolutely chuffed that his work has become an international sensation, which is the perfect attitude to have when a clip of your work receives so much attention. The dance is most often paired with the song Assumptions by Sam Galatri, which manages to encapsulate an optimistic feel, leading to memes about happier times to come like the approaching summer months in the US. 2025 is the year that it would see widespread adoption within meme culture, as at first glance it seems like an ordinary dance, but if you really look at it, the short clip looks wild out of context. This is because dancing is a genuinely difficult art to master, and many are struggling to pull off the entire move like the original, despite it appearing easy at first glance. It just goes to show how viewing certain dance styles can look pretty normal from the front, but when the camera angle is switched and we see it from the back, there's a lot more movement going on than is initially presented. Then there's the compilations in which multiple recognizable icons are added, like Bottom G and others doing their thing, cementing the blue shirt guy dance into a certified banger. It's great that a community can form around the recognizable strangeness of dancing, simple of an idea that might be, as it demonstrates how a meme can bring so many people together in their appreciation for human movement. There's that intersection between real life and online spaces that makes it so interesting to observe as it continues to grow. Just as people are inspired by a form of dance, which could be described as an offline meme, as it's grown online, it's gotten to the point that many are describing it as an emote, effectively making it straddle two worlds. In short, the blue shirt guy dance is one of the most common formats to exist, as humanity loves to replicate silly dances that they see others doing, and social media platforms have allowed this trait to grow at an incredible scale. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.